So it's all connected now. So today I'm gonna turn this barrel into a rain catching barrel. So I'm just gonna drill at the bottom here. I have the pipe to connect to it. So I'm gonna start close to the bottom here. So I tied a nail to a piece of string and I'm just gonna drop it through. Pull it through, and once you get the string through, you want to step on it so it doesn't accidentally go back through. I just fish it through here. And then I use the rubber washer and then this washer also. Okay. I'll show that right there. So it's all on now. I'm just gonna make sure it's tightened up properly. And then I just have to get another washer to put on here and then put this piece on there and it's all good to go. So now that it's fully attached, I'm just gonna use some, this is plumbing tape to wrap around the ends here and just give it a little, hold on there, well, I'm gonna wrap it properly and then show you guys after. So I wrapped it with the plumbing tape. See if I could do this with one hand here. I think I need to tighten up this a little bit. So I got it tightened up. I got it on there. I'm just gonna go get a wrench to just tighten up this part, but once I get it all tightened up, I'm gonna fill it up and let you guys see how it operates. So it's all connected now. Perfect. So I'm just gonna shut off the hose and that's it. But if you found this video useful, remember to drop a like, share, and thanks for watching.